Here's something interesting that I finally have that I can show. So I have this four-wheel drive BMW in my garage, and I needed to check a couple of things on it. So I removed the wheel and everything, got the car up on the stands, and here is something. And here is a rock. Just look at the size of this rock. And there's more rocks. Well, I'm just trying to get another rock out of that pan or a plate. There's another rock just fell out at least an inch, if not 2 inches across. There's kind of a dent here, and I kind of noticed a couple of dents on the bottom. So I'm going to remove the pan or this plate and see what's inside of it. I'm guessing there is more surprises. Let's see what else we can find. Oh yeah. So here's what's inside of this pan or a plate. More rocks. So isn't that something? Here's my collection of rocks. And here I see some dents on this reinforcement plate. Well, this one is a fairly large dent, and that looks like as if this thing went over a rock or something. There's another one, and there is another one. The funny thing about this plate is I keep fixing it every time I remove it. I keep getting those dents out, and they just keep coming back. I'm sure there is a better way of fixing this reinforcement plate. There is some dents that came into existence. I don't know how and what happened, but I'm just going to basically beat them out. There's a big one right here. Oh, these are old ones. Or at least what's left of it. And that's it. That should do it. I'm sure I will see more dents on this plate, and this is not the last time I'm fixing it. But it's good enough for now. Yep. No more dents. Good job.